while everyone's fighting over the same oversaturated freelance and side hustle gigs, there's this whole new world that has opened up the past few years thanks to AI. You see, local businesses everywhere are looking for help with AI-related tasks, but they simply have no idea where to find it. Your neighborhood restaurant, the salon down the street, the coffee shop, the chiropractor, the contractor who fixed your roof. They all know that they need AI to stay competitive, but they're just simply overwhelmed. Now, you do not need to become an AI expert, and you certainly do not need to learn how to code. You just need to bridge that knowledge gap. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best ways for beginners to make money online with AI. Now, yes, these are beginner friendly, and in some cases, they're actually pretty simple. They don't require tech experience and they don't require coding. But do not confuse that with easy. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, and they will require effort. But you can do these from the comfort of your home with your laptop or your computer. Now, the first way to make money online with AI is by offering SEO services or becoming an SEO specialist. This is something that most small businesses, myself included, are absolutely terrible at. Search engine optimization. They know they need to rank higher on Google, but traditional SEO services can cost thousands per month. I know because I've paid for it. AI has completely changed this game. You're using AI-powered SEO tools to help small businesses rank higher in search results and ultimately to help them get more traffic so they can get more business. Now, these tools can do keyword research, create optimized content, monitor backlinks, track search performance. They can even analyze competitors and identify technical issues like broken links that actually slow up their website speed. And the demand is massive because every business wants to show up on the first page of Google, but most just can't afford expensive SEO agencies. Small businesses especially struggle with SEO because it's technical and it's pretty time consuming. But you can offer these same services at a fraction of the cost using AI tools like Surfer SEO, SEMrush, or Ahrefs combined with AI content creation. You could focus on local businesses, service providers, and even some small e-commerce stores. Now, to get started, you should learn basic SEO principles, and obviously you need to master the AI SEO tools, and it helps to create case studies showing ranking improvements that you've done for your clients. I recommend offering free SEO audits to local businesses to demonstrate their current problems and your AI solution. Number 2 on our list is offering a missed call text back service or providing chatbot services to local businesses. See, here's what most people don't realize. Local businesses lose customers every day because they just can't answer phones during busy periods. And statistics show over 40% of small businesses miss calls every single month. So think about how much revenue they are potentially losing. And the opportunity is great. You can charge them an upfront setup fee, plus you could charge them a monthly retainer fee for the chatbot services. And if this sounds like something you want to try, here's a great way to get started. Go High Level has this built-in AI feature that automatically responds to missed calls. And the AI can do everything from answering questions to booking appointments and even making sales. The best part, you don't need any coding experience. The platform handles all the technical stuff for you. If you want to check this out for yourself, the people at Go High Level have given my audience an extended 30-day free trial of their software. And they also include a 5-day AI challenge that'll walk you through setting up this exact business model step by step. I'll make sure to put a link below somewhere in the description. Number 3 on our list is offering AI copywriting. AI has completely changed the copywriting game. What used to be this super time-consuming manual process, well, now it's way more efficient and smart about using data. But here's the thing. AI isn't putting writers out of business. Instead, it's like having a really capable assistant that handles all the boring, repetitive stuff so writers can focus on the creative parts they're actually good at. It's basically making the whole process faster and letting human creativity shine through even more. And you're using AI to write headlines, landing pages, web copy, emails, even YouTube scripts. For perspective, my freelance writer used to charge me $150 per email. If I bought, say, 5 to 10 emails, he would charge me $125 per email. And as you can imagine, that got really expensive. Now I can do it with AI, and it takes me a matter of minutes. Every business needs content, but lacks time or writing skills. Now, to do this, I recommend you master AI prompting, and it'd be good to take some free or even low-cost copywriting courses on sites like Udemy. Then choose 2 to 3 niches like real estate or fitness, and then create a portfolio with samples of your work. Number 4 is creating AI-generated websites for local businesses. Many small businesses still don't have professional websites, which is absolutely crazy. AI website builders now let anyone create professional websites in less than half the time it would take with a traditional website builder, and for a fraction of the costs. And I've had 2 to 3 websites built over the years for my business. One in particular, I paid as much as $10,000 for that website. Now, I can use AI or hire somebody to use AI and create a website for me for around $300 to $500. And remember that tool I talked about earlier, Go High Level? Well, they also have a built-in AI website design feature that can actually create professional websites for contractors, restaurants, chiropractors, gyms, service providers, the list goes on. Now, to do this, you need some basic website structure understanding, familiarity with domains and hosting, and having some sales skills and customer service skills will help you out a lot when you're trying to get new clients. But again, there is no coding. I've built several of these websites with AI. If you can drag and drop, well, you can build a website. The next way to make money online with AI, becoming an AI social media manager. Now, this may sound like it's more for the creative type, but it's actually pretty systematic. Most small businesses know they need to post on social media consistently, but they struggle to create regular content. Businesses would rather focus on running their business than brainstorming Instagram captions all day. You're creating social media posts, captions, hashtags, and content calendars for businesses using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. The AI handles content ideas, caption writing, and hashtag research while you focus on strategy and client relationships. When I started my digital marketing business helping local business owners back in 2017, I used to charge around $300 to $500 per month for these services, and it would take me hours to create everything manually. With AI tools today, you can offer the same service in less than half the time. Now, to get started, master AI content creation tools, learn social media best practices, and then put together a portfolio. Find local businesses with poor social media presence. Believe me, there's lots of them out there, and offer them a free content audit, plus write a few sample posts for them. You just need basic social media understanding, some Canva skills, and client communication ability. But no marketing degree is required. Now, getting your first customers. This is probably the hardest part for most people, but you need to be patient and you need to be consistent. So you might get 10 no's before a yes. I recommend identifying 10 to 20 local businesses that clearly need help. Look for restaurants with no online presence, service businesses with terrible websites, or companies that never post on social media. And don't send cold emails. Create specific examples showing how you can help them. If you're doing social media, create sample posts for their business. If you're building websites, create a mock-up using AI like we talked about earlier. If you're doing chatbots, show exactly how it would work. You could do a live demonstration in their office or in their store, or you could even do a Zoom call with them. Then reach out with your sample work and offer a free 30-day trial to prove the value. That's how you get your foot in the door and start building a real business. And if you made it this far and you are as excited about starting an online business using AI as I am, then make sure you check out my recent video up here where I go through step by step how to set up an AI chatbot business for local business owners. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.